paid the ticket for it, we're gonna do it. This is crazy. Not yet. No, we're not on the ride yet. Not on this way, so.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like these spots forever looking in your eyes.
Oh, vrijdag.
Ambitions of being a global city from the outset. So again, you're going to see some symmetry with the design. See, again, the striations on the bases, those are all going to look like a classic temple. So we're also, and then also you're going to see that on the very top, it looks like a on the top of it. That is not a temple. It's actually called a cupola or a belvedere. Now, Chicago right now on their rooftop bar, you can see some stunning views from there. I highly recommend that you do that. The language of Beaux Arts, and because this used to be the London Guarantee Company, it was designed by Alfred Altschuler and completed in 1926. So they definitely wanted to communicate to see in the 20s. This is 35 West Wacker, and it was originally known as the Jewelers Building. This was designed by Yaver and Dinkelberg. And this is designed to mask a water tank system, which was intended as a fire suppression system. So again, fire was a really big concern after the Great Fire, which we will get to. It was going to be a darker gray building with the windows kind of look like they're covered by little chips of rice or little Tic Tacs, little mints. This is the Leo Burnett building. This is an example of postmodernism. So take a look all the way to the top, and what do you see? Those repeating features resemble a colonnade. So one of the things that post-architecture. So again, we're looking at the colonnade at the top, and then midway up, you see another kind of a modified colonnade environment. So you'll notice that the one that's on the western side, and when it was built, this was considered revolutionary for the time, very, very modern, and that's what it is. It's modernism. And not only is it modernism, it's a form of modernism called brutalism. Now, brutalism comes from the loop. Now we're going to stay on the left. I like being very methodical, so we're going to go with the left again. It's a kind of a silver gray skyscraper with, it looks like chunks taken out of it, like missing windows. This is 111. This is an example of contemporary architecture, but there's also those windows that are kind of missing are light that was going to reach the ground level. They wanted to make sure of Art Deco are going to be ornamentation. You're going to see a lot of nature or bridge houses. That is intended to refer to a bridge. And then the glass that's coming out from underneath that span. Okay, we're back. This is River Point. It was designed by Picard Chilton and completed in 2017. So the swoop at the top is mostly ornamental. It was originally intended as a cold storage warehouse because, again, in the 1800s, back in 1973, a man by the name of Daniel Levin bought this plot, and it was abandoned railroads. There was really nothing to see. But he had a vision of a time and a day when people would want to live and work and the premier, if not the premier, fitness clubs here in Chicago. So, oh, hello.